This is a CV 400 SS. Yeah! I'm running it! I feel cold in the summer. Feels weird. So we got this view to ourselves. This one is a 2-cylinder. I guess the only interesting guy here is me then. How's it going? Got the bike. Well, it's my brother's bike, but got my license. So we're gonna go out and go to that road I was talking about. Let's go. Don't forget your key. The key was always in the bike. Let's go. I don't know if you can hear me, but let's go. The wind is actually kind of chilly. I thought it would be hot. You probably can't hear a single thing I'm saying unless I shout. It's actually kind of cold. I feel cold in the summer. That feels weird. Look, I was overshooting a little bit. I gotta be careful. Look at all these signs that say slow down, and it has a motorcycle on it. There's nobody here. Last week there were a whole bunch of them around this time. It looks like there's nobody here. I'm going to take you guys to a little bit of a viewpoint right up here. I was running with the choke on. Oops. There's nobody here, but we got this view to ourselves. Almost looks like a painting. I would call that a win, I guess. Win some, you lose some. But yeah, check out the bike. It's pretty cool, huh? It's a little dirty. Gotta wash it, but this used to be my brother's bike, but he gave it to my dad. And my dad is getting a new bike. I've never seen you before, but you got some huge fucking pinchers on you. I do not want to get bit by you. Yeah, but this is a CB400 SS. And I want the CB400 SF. Yeah, this guy is curious. They say curiosity killed the cat, and I'm not sure. Do you want to win a Darwin Award? Because humans typically don't like spiders. Alright, anyways, back to the subject. I want the CB400 SF because it's got the inline 4, which sounds really good. But this one is a 2-cylinder. I don't know why I just touched the engine. Yeah, that's all I know really. That's the 2-cylinder. Here's some specs. And I don't know if it came with the exhaust or my brother put it on, but it's got this Moriwaki engineering exhaust. This one looks really cool. It sounds good too. Overall, it's a really cool bike. I think this is like the perfect starter bike. It's easy to ride. It doesn't go very fast. It feels like my 8.6. Like I turn the throttle and I have to floor it or I twist it all the way to like get it to go. But that's what's good about it, because it has it limits itself for you. So, you know, new riders probably tend to overestimate what they can do, and I'm definitely one of them. So yeah, I'll practice on this first and then I'll get the CB400 Super 4, get a nice exhaust on that thing, show you guys how cool I am with it. My dad's getting the Kawasaki Z900 RS. That thing's gonna be pretty badass. But yeah, I haven't gone into editing yet, so I don't know what it sounds like, but most likely I'm gonna need an internal, like some sort of microphone in my helmet, because the wind noise is just, yeah. Next, it was actually, you know, it was actually pretty cold coming up here. Now, let me take this off. Like right now it's pretty nice, but it was actually pretty cold riding up here, and I was like almost shivering coming up here. So yeah, that's another new experience for me. Right now I can feel a pretty cool breeze. So it did rain pretty hard last night, so maybe that's the problem. But anyways, I don't know much else to talk about. I've already showed you guys the view, so get a load of my just woke up morning face. Let's head back home. Later on in the day, I'll probably go out to the other typical spots, but yeah, for now I'm gonna go back home and do some stuff. Cooled again. It is cold again. I got a lot to learn. So if any of you guys ride motorcycles, what do you guys wear in the summertime? Because I'm wearing this like mesh jacket, but just a t-shirt underneath. That's probably not the best thing to do. I would assume you need some sort of protector on, like a chest protector and like pads. But other than that, you guys wear like long sleeves underneath or something? Because I'm feeling pretty chilly right now. That was very unexpected. Alright, I'm gonna stop at the Dream Machine. The engine stalls like this for some reason. I don't know, might be something to do with the carburetor. Have to adjust the screws or something on that. Oh look, slug. Anyways, yeah, if you're not squeamish about bugs, then oh, there's a bike. Let's wait a little bit here, because this is where I saw all the bikes and cars. We can have a coffee and wait. I want... You know, I can do most bugs, but spiders, or those are what get me. I do not enjoy being near spiders. Yeah. Pretty cool. You know, I was just about to like put this up to my mouth to drink it. That would have been so dumb. I was only half dumb. Not even sure what this place is. They look like a bunch of old houses or something. Oh, okay, I see. It's like a restaurant. Well, let's sit up here and sort of wait for the cars to come. Here's an absolute bird's nest right now. You know, I'm trying to grow my hair out again. I was doing it last year, but in the awkward stage. I've always given up at the awkward stage. The longest I've had it was like the longest it will be in the awkward stage. And if I grew it like another couple months, it would have been pretty good. I gotta try before I lose my hair. Not really seeing any cars right now. Too bad, I guess. There ain't no cars. That was a good break then. There were no bikes, no cars, or I mean no interesting cars. So I guess the only interesting guy here is me then. that'll be it for this video, I guess. There wasn't really there wasn't really much to show, but I guess if you liked it, like, comment, subscribe and whatnot. And as always, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Drive safe and take care.